Hi, welcome to the Apache Spark with Cassandra tutorial. I am wearing a great shirt. And I'm also going to go through and demonstrate the tutorial that's described up here. That is, it should be here. And if it's not, if you're watching this video from someplace else, now I'm going to pop up a link right here that you can use to access the tutorial. All right, so let's begin. All right, let's run through the steps, some of the parts contained in the Spark Cassandra tutorial. I thought maybe a visual would help as you're running through it. To start off, I'm going to open up SQL shell here for Cassandra. And I just want to show you that the data has already been loaded. So you can see that the data is there. Next, I'm going to go over to the source code here. And I'm going to fire up SBT. Wait for it. And now we're there. And now we can just simply run. We'll send it to local with 5 cores. As the source code is looking for potentially 1 argument. And we'll set the master on that. And now we'll see a bunch of output. And we will see various portions of the Spark Cassandra program writing out to the console here. I'll call it out as they go by. Hang on. There's one. There's another. There's another that just flew by really quickly. And finally, the last one. All right, so that's good. We've got that running in SBT console. Let's exit out of here, and as the tutorial describes, we can update the build SBT file for these 2 lines. That will allow us to assemble it. Well, I'm going to run that now, and while that's building, I'm going to flip over here to this other window and show you that we've got a Spark standalone cluster running here with 1 worker with the default number of cores for this machine. And it looks like this jar has been built successfully. So now we can call Spark Submit. You're going to have to update this Spark Submit according to your path and your own master argument, of course, and then where that jar is located. This should begin the deploy. And again, we're going to see the output a lot like we saw on the SBT console. Same as before there. And if we go back to the Spark UI, we should be able to see it running now. And then complete it. So there you go. Hopefully this was helpful, visual from the Spark Cassandra tutorial. And if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section of this tutorial. Bye. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, but I'm still recording because I can edit it. How you doing? Let's go over a little Apache Spark. Come on. Don't laugh. No, come on. Hey, how you doing? Great shirt, isn't it? Well, let's not talk shirts. Let's talk Apache Spark with Cassandra.